In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect keyboard to Steam Deck. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. There are multiple ways to set up and use a keyboard in conjunction with a Steam Deck. I'm going to cover the most common ones here. First, if all you care about is convenience and your your keyboard is Bluetooth compatible, this is going to be an option. If you don't want to use Bluetooth, then you can skip ahead. But for those of you who want to, go into the settings of the Steam Deck, and one of the categories should be Bluetooth. Make sure that it is enabled, and now set up your keyboard. You will have to go into pairing mode. This is usually going to be done with a special key. There's most likely going to be a Bluetooth icon on it, so you press it down or you press a specific combination of buttons. Sadly, I cannot give you specific instructions for your particular keyboard. Every keyboard model is different, so check the manual if you need additional help, but either way, once the keyboard is in pairing mode, it is going to appear on the list of available to pair devices. You select it here, and you are good to go. It is going to be usable as long as it remains connected. Like I said, if you don't want to use Bluetooth, then you will need additional ports on your Steam Deck. By default, the Steam Deck only has a USB-C port for charging, so what you need to do is use a hub or an adapter or a dock. It doesn't matter. You need to find a way to introduce a USB-A port on your Steam Deck. So in this example, it is done through a dock. You will plug the dock into the USB-C port, and then it gives you access to a bunch of other ports. And then you just plug your keyboard into any standard USB-A available here. Of course, this has its downsides. Let's say you don't want to carry around a big dock, then the next best thing would be a small dongle. You don't have to purchase one of these that has a bunch of USB ports and HDMI. You can also look for ones that are only USB-C to USB-A and nothing else if all you care about is the keyboard. But either way, you simply have to find a method to either introduce a USB-A port into the Steam Deck or connect it over something like Bluetooth. These are going to be the most common and usable ways to get a keyboard to work. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.